Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can see or find our archive emails in Gmail. So I will show the perfect method. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so this is my email. I'm on my inbox. So let me archive this email. If I need to just copy that subject line to show you the one trick. Okay, I just archive it. It will be archived. Once you archive, you can undo within the seconds. Once it's archived, it will be go to the all mails. Okay, so here you can find that mails. If I search with subject line, you can see this email which just archive. Okay, so this is email actually we archive. Okay, so you can see the all mails on label like inbox label or any other labels which you have created, but some emails you can see without that labels, inbox label. Okay, so this image is archive emails. If I see this is a draft email. It is not archive email. They don't have the labels. You can find the another way. If I this is a archive emails, you can see. So there is a label. Okay, here we don't have labels. And another thing you can find, this archive option is disabled for this. Okay, if I go to this email, this email also archive email. If I go to this option, it is disabled. We are unable to click on it. Okay, let me show you another emails. Okay, this is the inbox emails. The archive email is enabled. It is not. It is inbox email. Or you can filter it and doesn't have. So you can say label colon inbox and search it. So you can see the all mail which don't have labels like inbox and other labels. So you can see this image is draft emails. Okay, you can see this email archive emails. The archive option is disabled, so means this is the archive emails. You can simply select your emails which you want to move on inbox. You can find from here. Okay, and if you want to this move to the your inbox, you can select that, and here option you called. Here we see the options, move to inbox. This is option you can select, move to inbox. It will be move to the inbox. Okay, yeah, then moved to the inbox. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.